Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Vashish Kapoor from vashishkapoor.com, and today we are going to talk about AnyWord. AnyWord is an AI based copywriting tool that helps you generate content for your blog post, content for your advertising ads, and also for your email newsletters. So it's a very great tool to get started with AI based content. So let's go ahead and see how much does it cost, how you can start using it, and how you can get 20% off on AnyWord. And also I'll be explaining what is my personal experience with AnyWord, how much have I generated with AnyWord.com, and also how likely I am to recommend it. So let's go ahead and see it. So guys, as you can see on the website itself, it explains very clearly that this AI tool is not giving you an automated content, but also it will be giving you high converting content. Every content it generates will come up with an engagement score, which is called predictive performance score, which will predict that how likely someone is to click on the link or click on the button that comes up with the content. And also you can generate high quality ad copies for your Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter or Google ads, and also you can generate content for your landing pages and also for your product pages. So it will be a great idea to generate AI content with AnyWord for your landing pages and do A/B testing. So that's what you can always look upon. And also there is an option to build long form content. When I say long form content, it is always like the blog posts. So you can always generate high quality content with AnyWord for your blogs as well. And of course, if you want people to come up on your blogs or you're likely to send a email newsletter, then you can also use AnyWord to generate content for your email newsletter. And there are so many more features that we'll be talking about in this review further. For now, let's go ahead and sign up for the 7 days free trial, which will give you access to 5000 words limit, and within that limit you can generate all kind of automated content for your testing purpose. So I will be going through that trial account and showing you how you can generate long form content with AnyWord.com. So to get the 7 days free trial, you need to go to AnyWord.com, and also I will be leaving my referral link in the description of this video, so you can go ahead from that link. You will get 20% off when you will upgrade. But to get started, you just need to take the 7 days free trial, and for that you will open the website and click on sign up free. Once you click on this link, you will be landing on the registration page where you need to fill in a very few details. For example, just email and your password. So simply type in your email, type any password and click on sign up. So that's a very quick sign up process, and the next thing you need to do is to just verify your email that you will receive. So the email looks like this: AnyWord services, permission instructions. So you need to open that email and then verify your email address. Once you verify your email address, you will land in your dashboard from where you can start generating copy for your content. So as you can see, I see this pop-up which says welcome to AnyWord and your free 7 days trial is started. So I'll just click on get started, and there's a small survey that you need to fill in. I'll just type in anything right here and just go ahead with this thing. Right, so the very first thing it opens up is an ad copy project, but for this video I am going to show you how you can generate blog post content. So I'll be first exiting from this wizard, and now here you can see my dashboard. There is no project yet, but we can start a new project, and now here I can see all these options. I can create an ad, create a landing page content or email content, or here is what we need to do actually. This is the blog thing from where we can generate long form content for my blog, or it can be of any industry. It will work pretty fine for you. So guys, let's start with a very technical term, which is kind of video editing software for MacBook. Okay, so I'm just going to do that in AnyWord. So here in this wizard, you can see it asks me about the blog post, what I need to write about actually. So I will say a blog post about the top software for video editing on a MacBook Air, right? Industry is always internet. You can just type your keywords if you want to. It's just optional thing. Then go to next. And from here, it will generate a few titles for you based on your details that you have given. So as you can see, it gives me few titles, and also it gives me the predictive performance score. So it gives me a number 6 of the best video editing software for MacBook Air. What is the best software for video editing on a MacBook Air? 5 of the top video editing software on a MacBook Air versus MacBook Pro for video editing. And all these topics are pretty good and very meaningful. So I will start with the first one because it has the most performance score, predictive performance score. So I will choose this and click on next. Once you click on next, it gives you a quick outline. It will give you few suggestions, and see, it has created the first outline, that Affinity, Final Cut Pro X, HitFilm Express, iMovie, Adobe Premiere Pro, Lightworks, and all the right tools it has actually generated. So I would say this is one of the best tools to create outlines for your project as well. And then what I need to do is maybe I can add more software if I want. I can write Camtasia Studio, right? Then a few more software I know about are like uh, Adobe After Effects. What else? We have a very pretty large outline right here. And now once we are done, we can click on next and it will start with the content. But right here I can maybe add I can write conclusion here. Conclusion, the best of all, right? So this is a general structure of a blog post that you can start with. It's a listicle, and AnyWord is pretty good when you need to build listicle articles. I will click next and it will give me a few options to choose from for the introduction paragraph. So I don't need to type introduction in the section, the outline things. So it will generate few paragraphs for me. As you can see, these are really meaningful paragraphs. I will read it for you. Though there are many video editing software out there, some of them are better than others. When it comes to portability and performance, here's an in-depth look at 6 of the best video editing software options for MacBook Air users. You can make an informed decision about which ones you should choose and why you should choose them over the rest. So that's like a proper blog post about all the 6 softwares. But as we have 8 right now, that now we will need to edit further. But I think this one is the best content when it comes to engagement and all. If someone will be reading this, then definitely he will be sticking and reading all the 8 softwares. So I will choose this and click on next. Now our setup is complete. The wizard is ready to push content based on AI, and it will generate the whole content for our blog. But there's a lot more steps to do yet. So I will just continue to edit it, and it opens up a page like this. Now here's the title. There's the introduction paragraph. If I want to regenerate this content, I can regenerate from here. If I want to go ahead, I can add a section A over here also. So now I will start with the points. It says affinity. Now I will choose text length as long and click on generate. Once I click generate, it takes a few seconds to generate the content, and it will be generated automatically. Now you can see there's a lot of content. Maybe you can see, you can edit it here also. So for example, there was 6 of the best software, so we can change it to 8 of the best video editing software. Now our blog post would be ready. So I will fast forward from here and generate AI content for all of these options quickly. So guys, as you can see right in front of you, working on this trial account, I have generated 1100 words of automated content with AnyWord, and all the content is pretty good and very meaningful content as well. So if you just want to extend some content, what you can do, you can simply copy the content right from any of the section, delete it, and then regenerate it, and once it is regenerated, paste it back, so you will be having more content for the specific section itself. So that is one of the best trick I have always used with any AI writer tool to get more content out of it. So because most of the times you are blank how to get more and more content for that particular topic, so this is the best method that I have always tried, and I will recommend you to try this also. And basically with the AnyWord, if you have a great pricing plan, then you can definitely generate a lot of content with that. Now see, I have generated 1200 words and this article is ready for me now. I will just go ahead and paste this in my blog and publish it with images. So now I just want to walk you through how you can take this blog out. You simply need to go to your drive, create a new document, new Word document. How you will do that, I'll show you. So this is my new Google Doc document. From here I can simply paste the content that I generated in the tool. In this tab, I will just click on this link. It just copies everything to my clipboard, and now from here I can just paste everything here. Now you just need to do a little bit of formatting and send it over to your editor for publishing, or publish it yourself. And this is the best method to generate articles for your blog post with an AI automatic content generation tool, which is AnyWord, which is so let's talk about pricing. Since we are in the free trial, we have a limit of 5000 words for this period of 7 days. But if you will upgrade, right, then the price you will get is $19 per month, and you can generate as much as 15,000 words per month. You can upgrade to a better plan also if you want more words in your plan. Since basically the tool is considered to do the best is advertising copies, since and considering that the limit of 15,000 words is enough. But if you want to generate blog posts with the AnyWord, then you will need a better plan. So in that case, you can maybe go for the Pro plan, which will give you multiple seats, and also you will get unlimited words of AI generation. So that is the best plan I would recommend you. But if you want to just try out and start using it, then you can start with the 15,000 words plan. It will cost $19 per month for you. And when you will click on pay annually, then you will get the plan at 20% off, and this will come at around $15.20 per month. Right, when you will click on purchase, you will be landed on this screen. Right, just fill up all your details, all your credit card details, and click on purchase, and you will be having 20% off on your annual plan, and you can generate 15,000 words every month. Talking about my personal experience about AnyWord, I have been generating a lot of content using different AI tools, different AI content writing tools like Conversion.ai, Shortly AI, and so many others. But I have felt that the kind of content AnyWord generates is the best, is very meaningful, is to the point, and even if I want to generate content like it's very technical, then also it works and outperforms every other tool. So maybe in the future I will give you a quick comparison between Conversion.ai and AnyWord. And for now, this was it from my side. You can start your trial account and take a look at it, and then decide whether you want to buy it or not. So guys, this was it from my side about AnyWord review. I would recommend you to give it a try and definitely try it out for your content writing purpose. And especially if you want to generate content for your blog post, then I would recommend AnyWord anytime. because conversion all other AI tools won't do as good as AnyWord does. So thank you for watching this video. I have dropped my referral link in the description of this video. So go ahead, use my referral link and get this AnyWord for 20% off. If you are new to my channel, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon if you want every new video to come in your notification.